Hello guys, welcome to Evolving Knowledge channel. Ready to learn? Today you will learn the importance of the moon. Are you interested? I hope so, because the moon is vital to our planet, and it has been impacting profoundly the way human beings have been living. But as always, like the video and subscribe to our channel and help us to continue sharing knowledge. So, let's get started. The moon has inspired humanity. We loved to enjoy the full moon evenings. Poets wrote beautiful poems about it. Several ancient civilizations wondered what the moon is, and myths were born. But apart from these stories, the moon is essential to the Earth. The moon is a natural satellite orbiting the Earth. It is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system. It is the brightest object in the sky after the sun, and this is the reason it is very easy to find it in the night sky. But remember, the moon doesn't have its own light. What we see is the reflection of the sun. The moon's phases have guided humanity for hundreds of years. For instance, calendar months are roughly equal to the time it takes to go from one full moon to the next, approximately 29.5 days. These are some numbers relative to our satellite diameter, the average distance from the Earth, orbit circumference, and mean orbit velocity. There are several theories about how the moon was created, but recent evidence suggests the moon is a result of a huge collision that broke a part of Earth away. Interesting, so the moon was a portion of our planet. Like the inner planets, the moon is rocky. Click in the card above, where we talked about the solar system and the terrestrial planets. On the surface of the moon, you can see several craters formed by asteroid impacts millions of years ago. There is no atmosphere on the moon, no rain, wind or weather. This is why the craters are still there and never erodes, as we can see from the Earth. I remember as a child thinking that the moon looked like a Swiss cheese that I watched on the cartoons. But what would happen to the Earth if there is no moon orbiting it? And believe or not, but this is going to happen someday. The moon is slowly moving away from our planet. But luckily, it is a few centimeters each year, and we will not notice any difference for some time. Due to the gravitational force between the Earth, moon, and the sun, we have tides. High tides occur in the regions that are closest to the sun and the moon, while in the other areas, there are low tides. And without it, the tides would be weaker, only the sun's gravity would pull the sea. In this way, complex life might not have migrated from the oceans to the land. The planet would spin faster. The problem is that the rotation of the planet is what makes hurricanes spin. With the highest speed, they would form faster and cause more frequent and devastating storms. The date on which each season begins would always change. Then one day it would be winter. In the next one, it would be summer. Can you imagine the impact of that for all species of the planet? There were several missions aiming to explore the moon. The first ones were the Luna 1, the first spacecraft to space from the Earth's gravity, Luna 2, the first one to land on the moon's surface, among other missions. After several successful spacecraft launches, finally, on July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz Aldrin were the first of our species to land on the moon. And it was when Armstrong said the famous phrase, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Currently, NASA is planning to send humans to the moon again. That might happen in 2024, or a few years later. It will depend on how NASA will be successful in building the necessary equipment. It definitely will be another significant accomplishment for the aerospace industry. Hi guys, thanks for watching another video of Evolving Knowledge channel. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. And give us some suggestions on different topics to be approached here. See you soon. Bye.